Hey guys, Phil Jew here. Is that dirt? Anyways, I got another quick update. Tearing down the motor just to do some OEM replacement stuff just for maintenance and reliability. And I'll show you guys what I've done so far. So we can see the block is bare. I've removed the transmission, the oil pan, AC, torque converter, valley cover, and got the valve covers off. We're going to just upgrade the trunnions because after 100,000 miles, those can start to wear, and you don't want these little tiny needle bearings to fall in your engine. I actually just experienced that for myself on my transmission. It has one of those bearings on the shifter, and I accidentally kicked my transmission, and there's a reason why there's blue tape on it now, just to keep those bearings on. I had to steal another set from my old transmission. But so got the springs. I'm gonna take these off and check the valve seats, make sure everything's good. I'm gonna replace the timing chain. Gonna change the oil pump just so 100,000 miles, so we don't have to worry about that since I'm in there. And then on the back side, we're going to replace these gasket on the front as well as the coolant ports. I've learned so much about LS engines in the past month. We're going to relocate the knock sensors to the side of the block, but I had to shave down this for starter clearance. Honestly, I don't know if that's enough yet, but it looks good. But one of the relocation spots is right here, so I'm gonna possibly move it to this one, and then I think there is one more spot. I could use both sides or one side. I gotta rewash this side. But yeah, tearing it down just for maintenance. And we just got a pile of crap over here too, like the window tray. I'm gonna have to trim this up for the oil pickup tube. We are swapping from a rear sump to a front sump for the kit. We have the front and rear covers right here. I gotta change these gaskets too, or these seals. These are the valve covers. I have the LS6 intake on here, which is awesome. These motors, this is an 04 Pontiac GTO motor, but these came with LS6 stock. I'm gonna have to clean this up. I'm gonna have to get new seals for this as well. These are completely flat and it's dirty. And we also have some rotted rubber lines there we'll change. Pull these out, push rods, and we got the rocker arms. And we're gonna replace the trunnions, as I mentioned, which are in these. So if I take one of these out, sorry, Lynn's car is loud. So these, where they roll on and where all the pressure is from the push rods and what else? The lifters. We're going to be replacing those just for maintenance, back to stock. But yeah, that's really all we're going to do. So I'll see you guys soon. And that's an update so far.